Hey guys, so I know you guys have been wondering where the hell have I been, but I'm here. I'm just here to give you guys a quick update. So I moved to a new country and I'm getting settled in, working out my visa and all of those stuff, so it's taking a little longer than expected. And also I've not been feeling like motivated enough to do videos and stuff, so that's why it has been months. I also have the UK vlog that I recorded earlier this year, and I'm gonna upload it next week. So this is real time, but the UK vlog was from March, so that's like months ago. But I still want to update it because I already edited it, I already did everything, but I didn't want to just pop out with a new video and like an old video and not, you know, like give you guys like a current video or so and so on. So I have the vlog to the UK vlog, and I have a try on haul of stuff that I bought in the UK because I was moving from Jamaica to the UK, so I didn't have any winter clothes and it was during winter period. Yeah, so that's just a quick update from me. Life has been good, I can't complain. It's just that I'm in the phase of my life where I gotta learn to be patient, you know, because everything is moving too slow for me. But hopefully in due time I will, you know, everything will get back on track. I'm gonna try to see if I can like upload a video once per month. I don't know what direction the channel will be going, but I hope you guys will come along with me and turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Yeah, if you guys have any videos that you guys want me to do, you can always let me know. All right guys, so as it relates to pension, because some people were asking me, I have not done anything as it relates to pension yet. I am still procrastinating. Like, I'm just in my procrastination era right now. But anyway, so once you go on Google, you can type in pension refund and it will bring you to a website. You can download the form and you can complete it. But I suggest that before you do anything, you should go to the pension office because they will be able to give you more information. And also, if you are going to the pension office, make sure that you can speak Japanese or you hire somebody who can translate for you, because it's a nightmare and it's so confusing and all of that. So I use Mic Kanagawa. They are located in Kanagawa, so if you're in Kanagawa prefecture, then that would be perfect for you. I'm not sure of any other translation company, but they're the ones that I've been using whenever I need to go to the doctor, I need to go to the ward office, anywhere, any government agency or any doctor. I usually hire them and they're pretty affordable. Like, I don't want to tell you guys the figure right now because they might change, because I haven't used them since last year, but it was, I think it was like 3,300 for 3 hours or something like that, because they're kind of like a volunteer company type of thing, so it's not as expensive as, you know, you would expect. Because I got an exemption, I think I got a 1/3 or 1/4 exemption. So say for example, I was supposed to pay 10,000 per month. I got to pay, like, if I got a 1/4, then I got to pay 2,500. I think I got 1/3. I got 1/3 exemption, and I had to pay 4,000 each month. And because I had to pay 4,000 each month, no, that's a 1/4. My math in. So yeah, 4,460. Yeah, so I got 1/4 exemption. And how they calculated it was, because I got 1/4 exemption, it means that it would take me 4 months before I can actually make 1 month's worth of contribution. And because of that, the pension refund reflected that. So I'm definitely not getting back all the money that I paid, because it goes up to a point. So they have like a chart, like for example, you contributed 6 to 12 months, so everything is in the document online. So, and again, I want you guys to just go to the word of it, because from time to time things might change and I don't want to give you guys any incorrect information. But when I went there, that was the procedure. They told me I would not get, like, if I contribute 12 months, it would not count as 12 months because I had 1/4 exemption. So that would have been 3 months worth of contribution that I would be getting back, and something like that. Yeah, back to current day. I'm happy, I'm healthy. I might come back in a few months with some more updates, but I don't want to jinx anything, so I like to just work things out before I put it out there, you know. But I'm definitely not giving up on this channel. I am gonna come back. I don't know what I'm coming back with. I might start some stuff, you know. I think I'm gonna be doing some reels too, and like when I go out I might start recording again, but I just don't feel like doing anything, you know. That's the bad thing that I need to cut out. Well, anyway, it was a struggle just recording this video, and see, I don't even have on any makeup because I was like, that's too much work to just put on makeup. I know, guys. But anyways, I think that's it for this video. Check out next week. Definitely you're gonna see a video from me, and the week after. I don't know, after those 2 weeks I don't know what's gonna happen, but you guys will see. Yeah, well, I hope everybody's doing well, everybody's okay. I want to thank you guys for watching and for supporting me, your continued support. Anyways, bye guys.